Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the sheet and selecting the column where serial numbers will live. If you already have a header, click the cell below it, otherwise pick the first data cell. Once done, decide the starting number and whether you want static values or a formula that autofills. Make sure to check for merged cells or filters that could break sequences. Now, type the starting value or enter the basic formula and keep your selection ready for the next step. You will now create a reliable sequence. Type a formula like equals row, -1 to start at 1, or use equals A1 plus 1 beneath an existing number to increment. Once entered, drag the fill handle or double-click it to propagate through contiguous rows. If rows vary, use array formula for entire columns. After filling, make sure the numbers align with filtered or hidden rows. If you need permanent numbers, copy the column and paste special right arrow values. This avoids accidental recalculation or broken references. Complete the task by reviewing the column for gaps or misalignment. Make sure filtered views didn't skip rows. If numbers are out of order, clear filters or sort by the original key, then reapply your formula or fill. Once correct, protect the column to prevent edits or copy and paste as values to lock the sequence. If something goes wrong, check for merged cells, frozen headers, or hidden rows. Those are the usual culprits, and then repeat the fill or array formula after fixing them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.